Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll guide you on how to upgrade your PoF profile to premium. So first of all, what you need to do is download the Plenty of Fish app and log into it. So I've already downloaded the app and I'm already logged in. This is what the interface looks like when you log into your PoF app. Now to upgrade your account to the premium version, tap on the three horizontal dots on the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on upgrade, which is the last option. So it's showing us different plans for 12 months, 6 months and 3 months. On the top of the screen you can see what you'll get if you upgrade to the premium version. So now you can choose the plan that suits you the best. So after you choose the plan, tap on continue. Now it's asking for us to confirm. If you confirm this payment, you will be upgraded to the premium version of Plenty of Fish. So this is all for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.